Hey guys, this is Bite the Snake. We on a Preston Parrot, but we got old Bubby's nickname here.
Yeah, we need to.
The official Bite the Snake videos. He has a nickname. His nickname's Garden Snake. Nah. Once you work up the old snake, you might
Now, but today we'll be thinking about the new Halloween special, Blake the Snake, Preston Parrot, and Boa Constrictor right here. And before we start a new Halloween special, it will be nighttime, and it will be when?
on Halloween.
Night.
Okay. Halloween special.
Yeah.
A Garden Snake will be there.
Now you don't quit talking about that grizzly. Get too careful for that, right?
What are we gonna do on Halloween special? Wait, it's a special. We can't tell. It's a secret.
Yeah, it's a big secret. I know what to do.